What is going on, guys? Today on Raising Hell Garage, we are going to talk about something I've been waiting an entire year to talk to you about, and that is my brand new project car that I got a year ago and haven't showed you guys, or touched or seen but one other time in a year. It's a weird story, but I'll explain. Alright, so 1 year ago, I found this car, and I went and I bought it. I saw it, paid $700 for it, I think. 600, 500, less than $1,000 for it. I looked at it one time, and then I went back home because it was about 30 minutes away, paid them, and I was like, okay, I'll get this thing out of here soon. And then it rained for like a month, and then I changed jobs. Then I got COVID, then we moved while having COVID. Then I worked night shift, and that was a whole weird 6 months of my life. And then we got the shop, which you guys really haven't even seen since we got moved into it. But my schedule's leveled out and things aligned where I could go get this car. So I guess you're wondering now what I'm so excited about, and it's really not that cool, but here it is. This majestic creature is a 1979 Chevy Nova, and I know what you're thinking. Ew. Yes, it is a 1979, which is the last and probably worst year of the Nova. Yes, it is a four-door. Yeah, that's it. This is, and I am such a nerd for this car. Growing up, I always wanted a 72 two-door plum crazy purple 327. Since I was 5 years old, I could list off to you what that car would have on it. But as I got older, I got weirder, I got kids, and for some reason, this thing just tickles my fancy. And I looked for a long time to find it, and it's here, and it's mine, and yeah, she's clapped, but it's okay. So I guess we're gonna start washing it, and then after that we'll go over it. So I'm pretty sure I just found out this car is red for the first time. This entire year I've owned it, I thought it was brown. That looks pretty red to me. Sometimes when you're by yourself, you have to get creative. This worked for the front wheels. I don't know if it will for the back. Oh no! Oh, I made a mud hole. Maybe this will work. If not, I'll have to go up and do it one more time. It's right there. Well, we didn't finish that because whenever I stopped the camera to reposition it, the young fellow Austin across the street at the next shop, he was waiting for his ride to get there, saw me out there struggling, and offered to help me push it. So he kind of saved my butt because I was going to have to jack it up like 3 more times. But there she is. She is inside the shop. It is the first night inside this car has spent in God knows how long. I know it's been parked since 2013. So it hasn't been washed since 2013 either. We did that today. She is not beautiful. Yeah, here, let me just show you. Well, on camera she looks brown, and I thought this car was brown. When you wash it and get it wet, she turns red, and then when it dries, not on camera, she's pink. The only other body panels I found, obviously, the door was a white or cream colored door at one point, and this right here is same, probably from the same car. But yeah, she might be uglier than what I thought, but that's okay. It makes me feel less bad about what I'm gonna do to her. I don't know what that black stuff was that was on the hood, but it is textured. I think that's gonna kind of end it for us this time. The next time we get together with this thing, we're gonna go through it, clean out the interior, see if we can't find out if the motor's stuck, if it's able to be saved. Just yeah, first of many videos on this thing. Super excited to have it in here. Really been looking forward to having this car home. It's in its shop, so I say about, you know, the longest journey start with the first step. Here's the first step. Alright guys, thank y'all for watching. Have a great night. I appreciate it.